Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize Google Antigravity step by step, so the app feels easier to use and better for your own work. First, open Google Antigravity on your computer. Make sure you are signed in with the Google account you want to use. If this is your first time opening it, take a moment to finish the first setup screen. Do not rush this part, because this is where the app gets ready for your projects. Once you are inside, look at the left side of the screen. This is where most of the main buttons are placed. Step 1. Open the settings page. To customize Google Antigravity, you need to go into Settings first. Look at the left sidebar and scroll down if you need to. Click on Settings. You can also open Settings faster by using the keyboard shortcut. On Mac, press Command and comma. On Windows, try Control and comma. Once the settings page opens, you will see different options that control how the app looks, how it works, and how it handles your projects. After you open Settings, look at the left navigation menu. On that menu, click on Customization. This is the main place where you can change personal options inside Google Antigravity. You may see options for skills, setup choices, and other things that help you control how Antigravity behaves. Step 2. Copy skills. Inside the customization menu, you should see an option where you can copy skills. Skills are like ready-made instructions that help Antigravity understand what kind of task you want it to do. To copy a skill, find the skill you want, then use the copy option. This can help you reuse the same setup again without writing everything from the beginning. Step 3. Choose the skills you actually need. Do not copy every skill just because it is available. Start with the ones that match what you are doing. For example, if you are working on a website, choose skills that help with website tasks. If you are working on writing, choose skills that help with writing. Keeping this simple makes Antigravity easier to use and less confusing. After using Google Antigravity for a while, come back to the customization menu and review your setup. You may find skills you no longer need, or you may want to improve the ones you already copied. This is normal. Your setup can change as your work changes. The main goal is to make Google Antigravity easier to use, not harder. So start with the settings icon at the bottom left, open customization from the left navigation, copy the skills you need, edit them if needed, save your changes, and then test them inside your project. And that is how you customize Google Antigravity using the customization menu. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.